Dear students, welcome to my presentation. Dear students, our topic is circulatory system. Our circulatory system. The vital body system is composed of the heart, blood and vessels that carry blood. Let's look at these parts one by one. Blood. Plasma is a liquid component of blood. Red blood cells carry oxygen and carbon dioxide. White blood cells fight against disease causing microorganisms. Platelets help to clot blood when you get injured. Structure of the heart. The human heart has 4 chambers. The upper 2 chambers are the right and left atriums. The lower 2 chambers are the right and left ventricles. The size of an adult heart is about a closed fist. Dual circulatory system. Our heart performs 2 circulations, one from the heart to the lungs and the other from the heart to all other body parts. This presentation presented by Sammar Sarfaraz. Thank you students. The Founder Institute, Skills for All.